least 7 Jamaicans were spared deportation from the United Kingdom, as the list shrunk below 50 at the last minute.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
At least 7 people who were set to be deported to Jamaica were granted a last-minute reprieve. Campaigners working with those who were scheduled to be deported by the Home Office believe that up to 40 people were on a flight that took off from Birmingham, destined for Kingston, Jamaica on Wednesday, February the 6th. A Home Office spokesperson confirmed that 29 serious foreign criminals were flown back to Jamaica on a chartered flight, ranging in age from early 20s to late 50s. The spokesperson added that the crimes committed by the individuals include murder, rape, and serious violence. The total combined sentence of their crimes is over 150 years imprisonment. The spokesperson further stated that the law requires that we seek to deport foreign nationals who abuse our hospitality by committing crimes in the United Kingdom. This ensures we keep the public safe. The criminal convictions of those deported includes 4 convicted of sex offences including rape, 6 convicted of violent crime including grievous bodily harm, 1 convicted of murder, 1 convicted of attempted murder, 14 were convicted of drug offences including supplying Class A drugs, 1 was convicted of robbery, 3 were convicted of firearm and weapons offences, while 1 was convicted of dangerous driving. Meanwhile, the Jamaican government has given assurances that there were no Windrush immigrants among those deported. Government officials said every effort were made to confirm that there were no Jamaicans that are of the Windrush generation or their descendants with legitimate claim to permanent residency or citizenship were sent back to Jamaica. The statement followed claims from UK lobby group Movement for Justice that among the estimated 50 people that were to be deported, 13 went to the United Kingdom as children, 12 were there for more than 19 years, and 18 have Windrush generation connections. This latest batch of deportees is believed to be the first to Jamaica from the United Kingdom since the British Home Office suspended the flights in April of 2018 after the Windrush scandal. After the scandal broke, officials eventually conceded that at least 63 people had been wrongly deported to Jamaica.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.